My name is Christina Roberts. Our team researched the impact of government and funding agencies in public discourse about the humanities. We wanted to know how government funding was discussed in the media, if the National Endowment for the Humanities mission was represented in funding discourse, and if the media covered humanities funding in public education. Our research was conducted in the WE1S News Media Corpus of articles published between 1989 and 2019 that mention the humanities. Our first key finding was that discourse about government funding for the humanities is complicated. We discovered that the National Endowment for the Humanities and the National Endowment for the Arts both fund humanities activities, events, and projects which are supported by state councils and local organizations. In fact, these two agencies sometimes cross over definitional boundaries to fund outside of their mission categories. The media covers all of this in a generalized way, reporting on arts, humanities, and heritage or history interchangeably, and sometimes generically conflate humanities with the arts. It's complicated. In addition, we learned that only 5 of the NEH-defined humanities subjects appear in media discourse. Much that the NEH mission identifies as humanities subjects is not present in the media. Our third and fourth key findings are about funding discourse in teaching and researching the humanities. We found that the National Endowment for the Humanities funds higher education humanities research and elementary through high school teacher projects and teacher training. There is less media coverage of humanities funding in the lower schools than in higher education, however. Now I return to the issue of complexity in funding discourse about the humanities, our first key finding. I showed earlier that the NEH and the NEA both fund humanities activities, events, and projects. In fact, the NEH also funds the arts. Since our project is about what everyone says about the humanities, we were surprised to see so much reporting about the arts being associated with the humanities. We believe this causes a muddled discourse and can confuse people about what the humanities are. We hope that the discourse about the humanities can be clarified, which will increase the public understanding of the humanities overall. Our first action card asks state and local humanities councils to help the media and the public better identify humanities activities, events, and programs. A campaign based on the simple tagline, "Sponsored by the Humanities," could be deployed in communications that range from email signatures to press releases, social media to printed materials. We anticipate that the campaign would increase journalistic curiosity about the differences between the arts and humanities and improve the public understanding of the humanities overall. Thank you.